Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to solve this separable differential equation. Separable differential equation is basically we can separate and integrate, like x and y terms we can separate and integrate. First let's move this sin x dx to the other side. So this is going to be 2y cos square x dy, and if I move this sin x dx to the other side, that's going to be negative sin x dx. Now here we have an x right here, cos square x, so we have to move this one to this side. So this is going to be 2y dy is equal to minus sin x over cos square x dx. Now sin over cos is tan, so we can write this one as tan x, and 1 over cos is sec, so sec x. Because we have cos square, we took one of them, sin over cos, that's tan, and we have one more cos remaining in the denominator, that's 1 over cos x. That's not sec, that's sec x. Okay, that is sec x dx. Now here we have 2y dy, and here we have all the x terms, here we have y terms. We just have to integrate both sides, integrate this one, integrate this one. If you integrate 2y dy, this is going to be 2y square divided by 2, so that's 2 cancels, so we will get y in this side. In the other side, if you integrate tan x sec x, that's going to end up with sec x, because derivative of sec x is tan x sec x. So if you integrate tan x sec x, that's going to be sec x, so minus sec x plus a constant, and that is equal, actually this one y square, because 2y square divided by 2, so this is y square, therefore y is going to be equal to negative, this one should be plus or minus negative square root of negative sec x plus constant, and there should be a condition, the sec x plus constant shouldn't be a negative, because if it's negative this doesn't work. So the condition here is negative sec x plus constant should be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore c should be greater than or equal to sec x if we rearrange this one. Okay, and that's it. That's the final solution for this problem, and the condition is this. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.